Hi, my name is Beatrice Capote, and I'm here to speak to you about Capotechnique. What is Capotechnique? It is a fusion of contemporary dance and Afro-Cuban dance form. I start my class by having the students explore their bodies. I begin with a theme, an idea, or concept that connect to Afro-Cuban traditions referencing the Orisha gods. These concepts contain rhythmic changes that are specific to understanding my movement language. From there, we start with our first exercise, river flow. River flow comes from the Afro-Cuban goddess, Oshun. Oshun represents the river. I chose the name river flow so that the students imagine themselves in the water. We continue with shoulder isolations, derretir. Derretir in Spanish means to melt. The exercise explores rise, fall, and suspensions. It also uses the articulation of the torso that is used in the first exercise. Then we go to this fun exercise that I love called Columbia. This exercise uses the shoulder movements in Columbia. Traditionally, Columbia is a predominantly male dance, but it has now opened to females. The purpose is for students to move one particular body part, the shoulders, while silencing the rest of the body. Next exercise is Afro-Cuban clave torso, which is moving the torso to the rhythms of the rumba clave. The exercise continues onto the hips with the rumba clave rhythm. Then by combining torso, shoulder, and hips to understand the body mobility in opposition. This is called Cuban rumba, which is also used in contemporary dance and in my movement language. Storm Angels is my plie exercise. Storm comes from the Orisha goddess Oya, representing the warrior of wind and tornadoes. Angels represents the arms, moving like angel wings, just like port-de-bras. For the plie series, I wanted to use both imageries. The next exercise is Ocean Waves. Ocean Wave is my plie bounces. Bounces are counted in 8, 4, 2, and 1. The plies are percussive and weighted, while the arms are fluid, just like the ocean. Next sequence is remolino. This exercise is a tendu combination using spirals, triplet counts, while articulating the Cuban folkloric torso. The next exercise is Cuban inspiración. That is one of my favorites. I was inspired by the Cuban dance company Danza Contemporánea de Cuba. This exercise is articulating the undulation of the hips with a tendu sequence. Palo transitions, using the palo 6/8 rhythm of Afro-Cuban dance rhythms while combining développé with the torso mobility. We wrap up the center sequence with floor stretches and strengthening exercises. Tierra espíritu. Tierra means ground, espíritu means spirit. I end my entire class with a combination, cultivating the movement exercise used in the sequences. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed Capotechnique.